How to fix Starlink no internet. So we have a few options you can go ahead and try over here. Since this little error or little problem can be somewhat common, so with that there can be a few options you can try as well. So if your Starlink is connected but showing no internet, it usually means the dish is powered but not properly communicating with the satellite. So there's a network or configuration issue, but the good news is most cases are fixable with basic troubleshooting, so you can go ahead and try these first. So first of all, you can check the Starlink app if you have it. You can look for messages like offline, disconnected, searching, or network issue. The app will often tell you exactly what's wrong. So you can go ahead and try power cycling the system. You can unplug the Starlink router from the wall, wait for around 5 minutes to plug it back in, and allow 5 to 10 minutes from the Starlink dish to reconnect these satellites. You can also go ahead and check all the cables. So firmly reseat the cable between the router and the dish, inspect for cuts, bends, or water damage, since even a slight damage can somewhat interrupt this kind of connection. So make sure the cable clicks securely into place as well if that is your kind of cable. So loose or damaged cables are a very common cause. You can also check for obstructions. You can open the Starlink app and run the obstruction check if it is available. Make sure there are no things that are blocking the sky. The dish has a clear, wide view overhead, since obstructions can cause connection drops. You can also test another device, so try connecting a different phone, laptop, or tablet to your Wi-Fi, and if other devices work, the issue may be with one device only. And finally, factory reset if needed. If nothing works, unplug and plug the router back in 6 times quickly, wait for the full reboot, and this pretty much resets your Wi-Fi name and password. So you're gonna have to put in your details back in. But these are a few options you can try if your Starlink has a no internet message. Other than that, make sure your subscriptions are still toggled on. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.